How to send invoices to receive payment on Yardbook. Once on Yardbook, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and select Invoices. After selecting Invoices, if it is a case that you have created the invoice already, you could simply tap on Send, and you can choose whether you would like to send it via email, so your customer will receive an email with a PDF attachment, or you can choose to print the invoice and mail it or deliver it manually. So you are given two options how you can send the invoice. Now, if it is a case that you haven't created the invoice as yet, to create an invoice, you'll tap right where you see plus invoice. And from here, you'll be able to create a new invoice. So you can select the customer that you would like to send the invoice to, or you could tap on plus to add a new customer. Then you can add the product or service that you'll be charging them for. And you can tap on add item to invoice. After adding the item, you can scroll down. And from there, if you like to add any additional information, you can do that. If you like to add a comment, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to tap on save. And once it has been saved, you'll go back, and from there you'll be able to print or send it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.